12 Best Breakfast Foods in the Morning. Number 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a great source of fiber, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full. One study published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that consuming oatmeal for breakfast led to greater feelings of fullness and reduced hunger throughout the morning compared to a breakfast of ready-to-eat cereal. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein, which helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied. It's also a good source of calcium and probiotics, which support gut health. Consuming Greek yogurt as part of a high-protein breakfast led to greater feelings of fullness and reduced hunger throughout the day compared to a low-protein breakfast. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are among the best breakfast foods in the morning and are an excellent source of protein and healthy fats. Eggs provide important nutrients like vitamin D and choline. Consuming eggs for breakfast led to greater feelings of fullness and reduced calorie intake throughout the day compared to a bagel-based breakfast. Number 4. Smoothies. Smoothies are a popular breakfast option that typically consist of blended fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients. They are often considered a healthy choice because they can be packed with nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and can be an easy way to incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet. If you're liking our video so far, please consider subscribing. With your help, I would like to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Next is number 5. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are high in antioxidants. These compounds protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Berries are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great breakfast food in the morning. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming blueberries for breakfast led to greater improvements in cognitive function compared to a placebo breakfast. Number 6. Avocado. Avocado is another morning food that is among the best and healthiest breakfast foods in the morning. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins like vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. Eating avocado in the morning can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied, and it may also have benefits for heart health. One study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that incorporating avocado into a heart-healthy diet led to greater improvements in cholesterol levels compared to a low-fat diet. Number 7. Nuts. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews are high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're also a good source of important minerals like magnesium and zinc. Consuming almonds for breakfast led to greater feelings of fullness and reduced calorie intake throughout the day compared to a carbohydrate-based breakfast. Number 8. Whole grain toast. Whole grain toast is a great source of complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy throughout the morning. Whole grains are also high in fiber, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full. Consuming whole grain toast for breakfast led to greater improvements in insulin sensitivity, compared to a refined carbohydrate-based breakfast. Number 9. Spinach. Spinach is high in vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, vitamin A, and iron. Eating spinach in the morning can help to boost energy levels and support overall health. One study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming spinach as part of a high-nitrate diet led to greater improvements in muscle oxygenation and exercise performance compared to a low-nitrate diet. Number 10. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are high in fiber and protein, and they're a good source of important nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and calcium. These seeds are also low in calories, making them a great choice for a healthy breakfast food in the morning. Incorporating chia seeds into a breakfast meal can lead to greater reductions in appetite and calorie intake throughout the day. Number 11. Quinoa. Quinoa is a high-protein grain that is also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Eating quinoa for breakfast can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied, and it may also have benefits for heart health. One study published in the European Journal of Nutrition found that Consuming quinoa as part of a high-protein breakfast led to greater feelings of fullness and reduced calorie intake throughout the day compared to a low-protein breakfast. And finally, number 12. Green tea. Green tea is high in antioxidants, which help to protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. It's also been shown that green tea have potential benefits for weight loss and brain function. One study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that consuming green tea for breakfast led to greater fat oxidation and energy expenditure throughout the day compared to a placebo beverage. And that's it for today's video on the 12 best breakfast foods to eat in the morning. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Thank you for watching.